Yo, what's up? I'm Shadowstar, and I have this cool feature in Vidjam that I'm really excited about and would like to share it with you. You can find the videos and the software, also my music in the description below. So have you ever wanted to integrate your branded logo content into your VJ sets seamlessly? Well, now you can. When configured correctly, all you have to do is click this button, Jump to Logos, and it will seamlessly transition into your logo animated files. The cool thing is you can do this at any point in your set in the opportune moments, and it will cycle through the videos that you put into this folder. So I can just jump in and out of these different animated videos and play with them in ways that make my set feel a little more authentic to me. Get a little shameless promotion out there. Let's try one more. Boom. All right, y'all. Enjoy.